All right, you guys, we are going to make some honey jerk air fried wings. Let's get into it. So first, as you know, you want to clean your chicken. You want to wash your chicken off and just place it on a napkin so it can dry out. Then kind of coat it with avocado oil. I'm just showing you the seasonings that I'm going to be using to give this a nice taste. You can season your chicken and let it marinate overnight, or you can let it marinate for a couple hours or even a half an hour, or you can do like I'm doing and just cooking it right after you season it. Either way, it tastes good. Yep, let's get into it.